gave me a nice red tongue, right? Yes. Yes.
Amanda?
You are going to be the cutest puppy dog.
You're so
Yeah, I know that. You sound like you've been excited about that already. So, you get a puppy dog nose now. Oh my god, you cute.
You are, aren't you? You are.
And I think you make powder dots on you.
Yeah, exactly. It's not weird. It's not sure. But I've asked it for me, so I just let you know in case they won't do it next time. Okay. They'll be ready.
Oh, that will be easier to wipe off the powder.
You're almost done?
Yes.
It looks so
almost
good.
done. So,
Yeah, she loved that puppy dog last time. She said it all night. Puppy dog.
oh, you're gonna be so cute.
It looks
know
so
what?
good.
Yes, I know. Hold on. Let me make that on this side.
Cute little puppy dog.
So. Okay. I need to brush to clean the mirror for my dog. For such a cute puppy dog. Oh,
You
yes,
a puppy?
You are.
You're so
You are unique.
It's an
There you
instant
are.
picture, right?
Yes. See?
Did you get that on camera?
What you call videotape that?
Yeah.
So cute.
That's awesome. Yes, it's beautiful. Right there.